Oh hey, I didn't see you there. A lot of people have given 2020 a pretty bad reputation, saying that it's the worst year ever and all that sort of thing. But, you know, I like to look on the positive side of things. I like to think that maybe 2020 wasn't so bad. I mean, couldn't have been that bad. Could it? Needless to say, 2020 was far from a good year. A city, like many, that's been dead for over an entire year. A city you have to see with your own eyes. The end of many journeys. The latest chapter in my story. Yeah, as evidenced by the intro for this particular outtake reel, 2020 was not the proposed renaissance many would think it would have been. And as a result of that, a lot of these memes that people posted around late 2019 have aged very, very poorly. I think we've spent enough time dwelling on how bad this particular year was for people all over the world as a whole. Welcome to Outtake Reel 2020, whose title proposes a question that many of us probably asked over the last year. Where's that reset button? Whoa. The new guy is certainly making quick work of him. Hey, Reg.
And our gardener, he refuses to plant anything.
Well, his brain's the one on the line, not ours.
Yeah, but still, we're gonna be screwed either way.
Fair enough. They have insulted our entire empire by assaulting our beloved capital, and now they've nearly conquered the entirety of the Earth. But Earth is not theirs to rule. The Earthlings have already started to fight back. The Battle of Santorini saw the flagship of the Second Fleet of the Zerfian army destroyed, and its leader killed. An important victory for the Earthlings. The Battle of London is currently underway, to which I've sent the Verfian 3rd to head off the Zerfians 11th. Meanwhile, my counterpart and his cohorts are presently shipping off to a radioactive wasteland like a bunch of Oh, yes, darling. Oh, yes! I am not including this in the outtakes.
That one didn't age quite so well.
We'll be back as soon as we're back at where the star coin's at. I didn't move my Wii remote. I didn't move my Wii remote again. What's going on? This is gonna be fun to edit. Route. Yeah, we missed the third coin. Hey TV Zach, you feel like doing all these montages?
What do you mean?
All these montages for the star coins.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, good. Because you know what? We're about to have another one right now. The good news is we don't need to sit for like 2 minutes and get that one star coin again.
Is this a montage right now, Will?
Yep. Although, once again, this will show up at the end of the year, so be careful what you say.
Oh, okay, I was gonna say, like, is this audio getting cut?
This audio is not getting cut. The audio's getting cut for about 11 months. Then it will resurface.
So don't say the word dick butts or something like that.
I have to censor that out now!
I'm gonna say the N-word. No. No.
Nintendo.
Yeah, I'm gonna say...
Nigeria.
I'm gonna say the N-word talking straight. No. Josh turns me when I'm a vacuum.
Slide.
Slide Cooper.
That's a swear word in Britain.
You sly folks, you. Boy, brav. Boy, brav. You're fucking... I'm dead.
Can you stop rushing?
But I'm a Russian. That's what I do.
No,
I rush.
we're not Russian, Will.
Dead.
Rah rah Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen.
Last time I checked, I think a male is currently in charge of Russia right now.
Russian queen.
And last time I checked, there's no queen or king in Russia. Only Joseph Stalin, bullet.
I have to censor that out too. Oh, it's probably back here.
No.
Yeah, the mini mushroom block is back here, ain't it?
Why would you just end your life like that?
Because I tried to kill it.
You did kill your life.
It's referring to the spikes.
Nope. Dead. Saved.
And with that, the 2020 Outtake Reel has officially concluded. I apologize if there isn't as much content as there really should have been for a proposed renaissance. But then again, it was a proposed renaissance, and things happen, and things change, and 2020 was kind of all about that. Now, for those viewers of the main channel, you may be wondering one particular thing. Well, these outtakes for all these other series are great, but there's one particular series that's been absent from the channel for quite some time. That's why I've prepared a special treat for you. Before we end off this year's Outtake Reel, please take a look at this.
Is what you breathed is life.
The attack on that homeworld was devastating, and the casualties are more than I'd be willing to admit. He's back, Howard, and he's back with a vengeance. And if you don't stop him, this time, he will conquer all.
That red light overwhelmingly resplendent, and yet it's a reminder that nowhere is safe anymore.